Welcome to Stoke Park, home to some of the most famous movie scenes in history. Goldfinger, layer cake, to name but a few. But today, it's all about the Ferrari Portofino. We'll be taking this car over to the Cotswolds for lunch at Slaughter Manor House. And this is the first time I will have driven the Portofino, so let's go and take a look. I have collected my Ferrari Portofino and I'm now on my way to Slaughter Manor in the Cotswolds, and this is the replacement for the California T. It's better looking, it's more powerful, it's more technologically advanced, and I think it looks like a baby convertible F12, and that is not a bad thing. It's got the engine of the year 2016 and 17, which is the twin turbo V8, which is a very good engine, and I think it's actually just won the 2018 engine of the year, which is even more impressive, 3 years in a row. So join me on the journey as we go to the Cotswolds. This is the first time I've had a chance to get behind the wheel of the Portofino and really experience what open-top Ferrari motoring is all about. And one thing to remember, this is a GT, this is not a supercar. This is not the car that you take round a track. This is a car you drive to Portofino. So you've got this gorgeous tan leather, and everybody knows I love tan leather. You've got this incredible 10.5-inch touchscreen control panel, which just makes everything so much easier, because if you've ever used a Ferrari control setup on the newer cars, it is quite fiddly. Oh! Makes lots of nice noises when you push it. And the bang you get when using the paddles is delightful. I could very easily be in Portofino right now. The sun is shining, the roads are clear, as a car goes past me. My time in the Cotswolds has come to an end, but I'm going to spend the rest of the afternoon planning a trip to Portofino with the Portofino.